Hello and welcome to Tutorials Point. Today in this session in search engine optimization we'll discuss about website domain. If you are planning to build a website and what kind of domain you should be choosing, what should be there in the domain name, what should not be there in the domain name, so on and so forth. Let's get started with it. Choosing a domain name is extremely important. The factors that need to be considered in choosing a good domain is the niche, the business, the targeted audience and the brand name. These are the factors that you need to take into consideration when you are choosing a domain name for your website. It could be on the niche and the business that you are selling. If you are selling, say for example, pens or laptops that you want to sell, make sure that the laptops, the word laptops appears in the domain name. Or you may actually go with the targeted audience, the professionals that you are talking about, who are actually the intended users. And you can also create a name or domain name on the brand name. If you have a company already, the company has a name, you can create a domain name or register a domain name for your website on the brand name also. These are the different factors, several factors that you can take into consideration when registering a domain name for your website. The types, there are basically two types of domains that you can choose for. Keyword oriented industry business company name. One is you can choose a domain name that has keywords related with your business or industry of your business or the name of the company. This is one way of choosing a domain name. The second is the brand name, the professional name, the skills and the expertise. If I have a company called Stars Consulting, I can say starsconsulting.com. That is the name of the company and I have a logo of that company. But the users may not be able to understand what Stars Consulting is all about. They have to go to the website to understand what this company does. But on the contrary, if you take a brand name on your skills, if I am a digital marketing professional, I say digitalmarketingprofessional.com or digitalmarketingexpert.com or digitalmarketingconsultant.com. That actually identifies me as a domain name with my skills and expertise. There are two ways to do it. You can do it by company name or you can go by your skills and expertise. Both are very, very good. Domain name best practices. What are the things that you need to consider in choosing a domain? Keep it short. The better the short, the good the domain name will be. Easy to read and understand. Avoid complex words. Make it more understandable, more readable and make it more simple. Use keywords. It is important like a digitalmarketingconsultant.com or digital marketing consultant, SEO professional, whatever the keyword that you choose of your industry, of your expertise, use better the keywords. Go with appropriate extension. If you are .com, .net, .info, .org, based on the business line that you are in, go with an appropriate extension. Avoid using numbers and hyphens. You see, sometimes we don't get a good domain that we are looking for, then we try to add numbers into it. Digitalmarketing123.com. That doesn't sound good. Sometimes if I want to particular domain that is not available, what I say digital-marketing-consultant.com. It doesn't make any sense. Avoid numbers and hyphens. Avoid copying other brand names. That doesn't make any sense. You should not be doing it. If you have certain brand, they have a website and that is it. Then what we do is we use actually the brand names of those companies and put some other name to it and create a domain. That is not a good practice you should be doing. In conclusion, what we have seen in this video is choosing a domain name types and the best practices that you need to implement in choosing a domain. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you again.